Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the other theorems, and here the first one will be about the bisector of an angle of a triangle and the ratio of segments on the opposite side. Now if we read out the theorem, what we can see, the internal bisector of the vertical angle of a triangle divides its base in the ratio of two sides. Okay, that means if you look at here, this is the internal bisector, yes, of this triangle. AX is the internal bisector of the vertical angle A. Then so we have to show that this internal bisector divides the base and other two sides in a ratio. Okay, and the ratio is this one: bx is to xc is equal to ab is to ac. So we can write like this also: ab by ac is equal bx by xc. This is the second theorem. Okay, now the proof is given here. For this, what we have to do, we have to draw a line which is parallel to this AX through this C, okay, in such a way that this AX is parallel to, or CE is parallel to this AX. Okay, now if you can see this BAX and AEC, these are equal. BAX and AEC, this BAX and this AEC, they are equal because they are corresponding angles. These two are the lines and this is the transversal. So these two will be the corresponding angles. The corresponding angles are equal. And also you can say this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because these two are the alternate interior angles. Yes. Now as you can see already, this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. So what we can say from here, that BAX equal to XAC. That means, why? Because AX is the bisector of angle BAC. So we can write BAX equal to XAC. Why? Already it is given that this angle and this angle is equal. Okay, so this angle will be equal to this angle. That means what? It will be an isosceles triangle. Obviously it will be an isosceles triangle. When it is an isosceles triangle, so AC will become equal to this AC will be equal to this AE, since their angles are, two angles are equal, and angles opposite to equal sides are, the sides opposite to equal angles of an isosceles triangle are equal, or of a triangle are equal. So AC is equal to AE. Now what does it mean? In ABCE, now if you see this ABCE, AB CE, okay, Now they are saying ABC. Instead of that one, we can take this BEC triangle. In triangle BEC, okay, this side and this side, these two are parallel. So what we can say from here, we can write, we have got this one before, this ratio BX is to XC is equal to BA is to AE. If you look at here, BX is to XC, so BX by XC is equal to AB by AE. We can write this by this is equal to this by this part. Yes, so on transposing, what we'll have, this BX equal to BX is to XC is equal to BA is to AC. Not on transposing, instead of this AE we can write AC. So we can write like this also, BX is to XC is equal to AB is to AC. So this is the proof of the theorem. Okay, and you can prove it. It also holds for the external bisector. Okay, it is given in the first question. We will do that one in exercise 8.2. okay, thank you.